In this video, I'm going to show you how to work a slip stitch into a row of crochet. So we have a little piece of double crochet here, and I'm just working slip stitch along this same row. So I've already done a couple. First slip stitch, you're just going to insert the hook underneath both loops, grab your yarn, and pull it through. There's no additional yarn overs. You're just moving essentially your hook across your work without adding any height to your rows to get your hook to a different starting point. So again, under both loops, grab your yarn and pull that through. You can see that it stays just along the ridge there on the double crochet. When working slip stitches in the round, for example, in a granny square, you can use it to join your work. So here I've worked the first round of granny square stitches. This is also double crochet, and I finished my corner here. I'm going to use a slip stitch to join this to this right here. So I'll find the third chain, and again, just grabbing that yarn and just pulling it through, and that joins your work. In a granny square, you'll most likely want to slip across to this corner, so we'll just do that. Under both loops, grab your yarn, and slip it across, and again. Again, you're using the slip stitch to move your hook and your working stitch to the next part of your work where you're going to begin a different stitch.